As we eagerly await the Supreme Court's decision on New York Rifle and Pistol Club versus Corlett, it's important that we talk about that this particular case, which affects concealed carry or carry in general, if overturned, will open up constitutional carry coast to coast in theory. Now, of course, many states are going to combat that with their many different ways. But that's regarding concealed carry. This case, however, also is going to affect some other cases around the country. And that's kind of what this video is about, is understanding that right now the magazine ban in California was put into effect. It was ruled unconstitutional. And then the Ninth Circuit then said, no, it was constitutional. And now, as that trial is just sitting there waiting to see what the Supreme Court is going to do with New York Rifle and Pistol Club, to then decide then how do we move forward with this. So, and there's a few other cases as well. This probably won't be the last Second Amendment case we see the Supreme Court taking up anytime in the next couple of years. Now, it definitely will be the last one on this session, for sure, but when the new session begins, there is probably going to be another Second Amendment case, most likely the one from California regarding the magazines. So it's important that we don't just see this case as one case, because this case is actually four cases, because how the Supreme Court decides on that case is then going to determine the future of those other cases. So it's very important that as we keep our eye on the prize, that's actually not the final result. There is still much, much more to come. Or it's just all going to go away, one of the two, depending on how the Supreme Court decides. So love to hear any insights you might have on that. As far as, I'm not an attorney, thank goodness. Nothing against my attorneys. My sister-in-law is an attorney. I just happen to not be one, and I'm glad of it. But what I understand, and please put it in the comments below if you understand this better, is at least 3 cases, Second Amendment cases from other federal courts are just sitting there waiting to see what's going to come out of this one, to know how they move forward on those other ones. So any insight on that, definitely put it below. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. Feel called to support this channel with Patreon, that link is also below. But the most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests, so please don't ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love God.